Sarbvir, so now we know that term insurance is very important, but we also understand that there are a lot of riders or these add-on policies that you can consider buying along with your basic term plan. What are these products and why should we consider them?
Special exit value or zero cost, as it's popularly called, where you have now almost in across plans, you have this feature where you can, at the age of 60, 65, depending on the plan, you have the right to stop paying for the policy and take back the premium that you have already paid. So this is, I think, a very useful feature because once your corpus is built up, once you have financial assets and you don't want to continue with the plan, you are able to then get your money back. The second, there are features around accidental death benefit. So there's, sometimes you can add a rider which will give you double the payment if something happens to you in an accident. There are plans which have, critical illness plans, which I think is an interesting and important addition that one can consider or should consider. Because when one is critically ill, what happens is that while you will not obviously have a payoff from the term plan, you will have certain expenses. You may not be able to work. You may, need expenses both for your medical treatment as well as, loss of income. So I think critical illness plans make a lot of coverage, makes a lot of sense. The other is a form of payment, which is essentially that you can either pay every year for the term of your policy, or you can pay what is called in a limited format. So you can pay over 5 years or 10 years. Now, this could also be something you can consider because this allows you to pay for term insurance in that limited period, and then ensures that even if, let's say, you don't have a job or there is any kind of income change for you over your lifetime, you don't have to worry about the term insurance premium.
So what would the cost be? Some of these additional products that you're talking about, I'm guessing they would be at a fraction of the cost of the actual term premium, right?
Yeah, the accidental death benefit riders are relatively inexpensive. The zero cost or special exit value is now built into plans, so actually it doesn't cost anything extra. And the critical illness can cost, that can be 15 to 20% or more depending on the amount that you choose. But as I said, it's worth it because it covers cost of illness as well as the income that you may lose.